my goodness! What's the procedure? What do we do, people?
The phones are dead.
Oh, how did that happen?
It's out in the hall.
No, we don't know that. The smoke could be coming through an air duct.
Oh my God! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm.
Wait.
Everybody
Please don't
calm
fall down
No,
tree.
Michael, no! Touch the handle. If it's hot, there could be a fire in the hallway.
Holy crap.
Warn me.
Not a viable option. What next?
Don't try.
Oh, here's a door. Check that one out. How's the handle?
It's warm.
Well, another option. Jeez, okay, settle down, everyone.
Oh, I forgot my purse.
Leave it, woman.
Get out of the way. Go, go, go.
No, things can be replaced, Phyllis. People, human lives, however.